Unlock your child's potential with Dexterity Abacus Academy. Did you know the right start can shape your child's future? At Dexterity Abacus Academy, we transform learning into an exciting journey. Through Abacus, Vedic math, and Jolly Phonics, we nurture skills like mental math, focus, and reading fluency to help children thrive in school and life. Our innovative programs engage your child's mind with proven techniques and enjoyable methods. Abacus builds calculation speed, Vedic math boosts problem solving, and Jolly Phonics helps children read confidently. Parents love watching their children gain skills and self-assurance effortlessly in an encouraging environment. At Dexterity Abacus Academy, we are committed to excellence. Our expert trainers ensure personalized attention for every child, fostering creativity and confidence. Thousands of parents trust us to provide a strong academic foundation, setting up their children with the tools for success. Ready to see your child excel? Child the gift of lifelong learning. Don't wait, unlock their potential today.